The Met Department says that the depression in the Bay of Bengal has moved within 200 kilometers of Mullaitiyu. Analyst in charge of the weather, Professor D.A. Jayasingharachi, said that owing to the movement, heavy rains and rough seas will be experienced in the Trincomalee, Batticaloa, Jaffna and Mannar areas. Now, the Met Department has requested that area residents refrain from venturing into sea during this time.
The depression has now intensified to deep depression, and it was located about 200 kilometers east of Mullaitiyu at 8:30 today. It is likely to move westward, causing heavy showers and strong winds on most part of the country and surrounding areas. We expect this will be intensified into a cyclonic storm. It's not a severe cyclonic storm, it's a marginal, and move over northern part of Sri Lanka tonight. Therefore, shallow and deep areas of the coast extending from Jaffna to Batticaloa via Trincomalee will experience very rough conditions, strong winds and intermittent rain. Therefore, we request fishing and naval community to refrain from maritime activities in those sea areas. Most parts of the island will experience rainy conditions, especially the northern, eastern, north central and northwestern provinces. At some places we can expect more than 150 millimeters. The provinces also there will be more or less rain, about 100 millimeters at some places. We continue to monitor the situation, and therefore we request our public to be vigilant and consider the weather information released by the Department of Meteorology.
Meanwhile, Assistant Director of the Disaster Management Centre, Pradeep Kodipli, stated that the Putlam Mannar Road had been closed due to the Eluwankulama area being inundated with water.
In several places in Sri Lanka yesterday as per the Met Department's record. So I know any other disasters been recorded except any inundation of by road. For the moment, the road from Putlam to Mannar been closed due to inundation at the Eluwankulama area. It was submerged more than 3 feet of water level. So the Met Department already issued an alert and warning yesterday not to go for fishing from Mannar to Batticaloa coastal area. So we are alerting the people. We have alerted the people since yesterday, and through our media channels and all of the military and forces and police as well. So for the moment, no any disasters been recorded. However, the rainfall also been recorded in Nuvareli and Kandy and some other around area. We are always keeping close contact with all of the technical agencies for the opening of sluice gates. So prior to the opening of sluice gates, we have a program being launched to aware the people at the moment, and in other districts there are no any disasters been recorded. But however, all disaster management units being vigilant for 24-hour basis.